press A to shake it. Then just pick the fruit up. I'm sure you have plenty of cherries for us in no time. You have a lot of faith in me there, Mr. Nook. And there. I did it all by myself. Well, well, I knew you were the right one for the job. Thank you once again. I'll go ahead and take those cherries off your hands and get started on the preparations. Now, is that everything? Yes, yes, I believe it is. Let us get started with the festivities. Woohoo. At last, allow me to properly welcome you to your new island. I have participated in many ventures and endeavors over the years, but this may be the most exciting. Helping develop a thriving new community entirely from scratch will truly test my business acumen and perhaps my skills as an outdoorsman. Ho ho. Now, we may not have the kind of numbers that I originally envisioned, but that just means we'll have to rise to the challenge. And I have no doubt that with hard work and perseverance, we'll shape this deserted island into. I suppose we can't call this a deserted island anymore. But what should we call it? I sense a great opportunity. As the first residents of this island, we should be the ones to name it. And in the spirit of democracy, we should put it to a vote. Majority rules. So take a little time to think, and when everyone is ready, I'll present your ideas. I'm going to call it Planeptune from Hyperdimension Neptunia.